the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss a video from SnG Comedy.
Hello everyone and welcome to the big question with SnG.
Hi guys.
Hello. Today we are discussing about a TV show that all of y'all have been recommending and requesting us to do, Friends.
Yes.
That's
Because we
it.
are tired of seeing the comment in
Get
our
Kenny
comment section.
and Friends.
Yeah. So talk about Friends, talk about Friends. So yes, we are talking about Friends. As you can see, we've gone the whole hog. We've come to a cafe,
Yes.
yeah, which is not a Central Perk.
Because Aukad.
And because Central Perk is in New York and we are in Andhra.
You think people go there to New York looking for a Central Perk? Like
There
where-
is. You can actually go to
there
the
is
set
one in
apparently.
There is one in,
Oh, by
yeah,
the way,
there is one in Bombay.
There's one
Central
in
Park
Thana.
Cafe in Bombay.
in Bombay?
In Thana.
there.
In Thana.
I'm
In
sure.
Thana, of course, it's in
Is it?
Thana.
Yeah, I think all our young fans, right? The ones who are like 18 and all of that, who always keep saying that, oh, we don't get your references. Oh, this was way before I was born. Friends was way before, but still
Everyone
Everybody
knows
gets
it.
their
Thanks
Friends
to-
was 90.
Thanks to Comedy Central.
Yeah.
Who should just right now be called Friends TV.
Friends
TV.
No, but obviously, I
Friends.
think for most people around the world, not just in India, Friends is in their top
Yeah.
3 shows.
Yeah.
Right? Like,
Yes.
even people who are older or the younger lot, everybody likes Friends. That shows how amazing this show was. What do you think
Correct.
AT did it for this show?
Okay, so from a writing perspective, I think the show was obviously really good. The writing was spot on, and I can't think of one episode where I was bored.
Yeah.
But the beauty of Friends was that there's no hero of Friends. There's 6 of them, and none of them really stood out. People say, okay, Joey is my favorite, for example, but really from a writing perspective, all 6 of them got
Have equal lines.
equal
Yeah.
lines, equal jokes, equal punchlines,
Yeah.
and equal story arcs as well.
So there was a deconstruction of why Friends was so popular, which I was reading about, and they basically said what they've done is that they've taken the archetype of a guy, and they've split it up. So
Yeah.
Chandler's the funny one, Joey's the flirt, and Ross is the stable guy you want to marry, sort of. And with
Kinda.
the girls, they've also sort of done the same thing where they've given those attributes. So they broke it down. And another contrarian point of view was an article I read, and this is an unpopular article, obviously. It said, "Has Friends ruined a generation?"
Yeah.
So ruined a generation in all the worst ways possible.
Well,
because
let's get to the negatives in a bit because I also
Yeah,
there's
we shouldn't start with
see
that.
every positive comes with negatives, but I think the reason why Friends stands out, I think especially in India, is because the characters are so. Look, first of all, friendship. That is something that's so universal.
yeah.
It is so universal.
and Friends was a paradigm
I
defining
like how.
show.
What do you think the concept pitch was to this? Hey, I have a show. It's about friends. Okay, cool. Like,
It was
it's
called.
literally that.
They had other names also. They had like Across the Hall and stuff like that.
No,
It was the idea was 2 girls. And across two pretty girls living across the halls, 2 boys living in New York. That was the idea. It was supposed to be 4 of them.
Right.
And then slowly, things go organically. The show developed to 6. I think I remember reading that Courtney Cox actually wanted to play Jennifer Aniston.
No, she was actually auditioned for that role.
She auditioned
She was actually auditioned for
So
that.
that's interesting. So, but going back to that, I think no other show. I think if you look at any other sitcom, there's always a person that stands out. Whether it's Kramer from Seinfeld and the whack job characters.
Oh, you look at Barney Stinson
Barney
from How I Met Your
Stinson,
Mother.
yeah.
I think
Yeah.
How I Met Your Mother would not have existed if it weren't for Friends. Like it.
Yeah,
I know it's
yeah.
its own beast, but
yeah.
it just borrows so heavily. I remember watching it, and the whole time like, oh, this is like Friends, even though they were
Yeah.
different.
Yeah.
Because I think Friends covered all bases
Fr-
that you had
How I
to
Met
in a
Your Mother
sitcom
was
about Friends.
How I Met Your Mother was a combination of coupling, if you've seen it,
Yeah.
and Friends.
Yeah.
It was like an evolved Friends. It was about slightly adult.
But I think I think I've never seen better casting. That maybe.
But I think that is
I
also
don't think-
retrospective.
yeah, I think it's
That's
retrospective.
what I meant.
I think it's
Like, now
retrospective.
when you see it, you can't imagine any
One
other
else
person
playing.
Yeah.
doing,
So David
doing
Schwimmer
that.
apparently had auditioned for it and he wanted to leave.
No, actually, David
And-
Schwimmer was the only one they had written for.
Yeah, and
and-
he wanted to. He had given up. He was like, "Fuck this! I'm going to go back and start doing theater back in my hometown." He was about to leave, and they really forced him to come back and do
Yeah.
one pilot.
No, but that being said, he was also, I think, after the season 2 and 3, when it really reached its peak, and Ross as a character, where what they found out, people started liking a lot. So they were going to give him a hike. And this is when he actually went and told the producers that, no, this is not done. If I'm getting a hike, the other
Everyone-
guys are too. And that's
Yeah.
how
Oh.
everybody.
So there was a
They
big
were actually friends.
Yeah.
Oh no no! So
Actually-
actually, you know what? It was Courtney Cox that rounded them up, and they were getting $1 million. Each actor was getting $1 million an
Last
episode.
season. Per episode.
No. Season 5 onwards.
Oh, they were going.
yeah.
$1 million
Yeah, yeah,
bucks.
yeah.
Okay, so I was actually there watching it every Thursday night. You know the new episodes.
Where? When you were in America.
When I was in America.
And
It
but-
took us
But okay,
exactly
but-
6
but-
minutes.
That's interesting. What was the hype like when it was actually on air?
Okay,
in
so how
America?
Game of Thrones is today? How people get together together and watch
Yeah,
Game
yeah.
of Thrones. Every Thursday, people got together and watched Friends.
No, there used to be
It
like
was-
people would get Central Park. I've seen photos of like massive just screenings of like
Yeah.
thousands of people just sitting there watching season
But the
finale.
thing is, you were never disappointed, right? You were never disappointed by it. And going back to what Varun said, the casting was spot on. That's a double-edged sword, because what happened after Friends was they all had terrible times.
Yeah, like
None
you
of them
can't
were-
see them as anything
Correct.
else.
Yeah.
Exactly. In fact, Joey had a spin-off. Do you guys know about this?
Yeah, yeah.
Called Joey. Yeah.
So people say, I love Joey. Joey's the best character. But when Joey's alone without the remaining five, he
Yeah.
sucks.
Yeah.
You need the straight guys. You need the other friends to make Joey look
To
good.
complement him,
Yeah.
And like it ran for like 10 years.
9 years.
But
But
even
and
after
you've seen
Friends was
them.
10,
you've like
10
grown
seasons.
up with them, right? You've grown
Yeah.
up
Yeah.
with them. Like you see them change. You see
You know-
their
you know what's funny?
hairstyle, You see them battle alcoholism, go to rehab,
Yeah.
come
Yeah, yeah.
back, still make you laugh.
Off the show. In case you're wondering, this
Yeah.
was all
Yeah.
off the
This
show.
is not a
You know what's
special
interesting though?
episode
If you-
we've
if you
seen.
watch season 1 to 9 and Comedy Central's been playing it, they got prettier and more beautiful as the
Except
seasons-
Chandler.
No, I don't know, like,
fluctuate. Yeah, like
Chandler
a-
fluctuated, yeah.
Okay, so he had a lot of issues with cocaine.
Yeah.
So here's how you know he was on cocaine, because he's thin. When he's
Yeah.
thin, he's on cocaine. When he's fat, he's off cocaine.
Yes.
Yeah. So the last 3 seasons he was off cocaine.
Yeah.
The other interesting thing is that Friends was airing around the same time as Seinfeld, right?
No.
No,
Seinfeld
this
was
is before.
Seinfeld was before.
Seinfeld was in about
Was on its way out.
Yeah,
It
last
was on
2
its-
seasons.
Yeah, there was an overlap, right?
There was an
That's
overlap.
not the point
Ah,
I was trying to make. The point I was trying to make was that they had a slight overlap. And
Yes.
that's interesting because like Seinfeld was a show about nothing with no morals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right? And Friends was like a resurgence of earnestness, where
Yeah.
there's a little bit of like, okay, you know what? Life is not that like pointless. Like
There was also it. I think it was paradigm. It was changing the shape of friendship, because suddenly friendship became so much more. It almost became familiar. Like you became a
Yeah.
family.
Yeah.
Your friends were so much more important to you suddenly and stuff like that. So
Yeah.
that was
and
pretty
that's an
interesting.
interesting thing, because if you see the actual family of the Friends, they're always dysfunctional.
Correct.
All of them.
Absolutely,
So that's like
Like
a
Friends did for Friends what Goa did for Dil Chahta Hai.
What Dil Chahta Hai did for Goa.
yeah.
All right. No. So
It
let's
suddenly became, oh shit, I need to have friends. I need one friend who's
Yeah.
like this. I
Yeah.
need one friend who's like
अरे
that.
अरे
वो
मेरा
एक
एक
hot
friend
लड़की होनी
sarcastic
चाहिए.
नहीं है यार, problem हो रहा है, एक
I have a
sarcastic
question.
आदमी
I
चाहिए
have-
group में.
I have a question. Okay, this is an important question. Since all of us are comedians, okay, we've always had this problem. Has anybody been called like, hey, you're like Chandler, man? Has anybody
Yeah.
anybody sort of done that?
Yeah,
to you?
I mean, because they want to say, oh, that was good,
Funny, yeah.
sarcastic comment.
Comment,
but
yeah.
they don't know what sarcastic
Okay.
is.
Favorite-
Ray Chandler.
Mine
What is
had
your-
Joey moments. I've had Joey
Of course,
moments.
you have
a lot.
had Joey.
Yeah.
I'm not even surprised that you've had Joey moments, Adar. Favorite episode of Friends, all-time favorite episode.
Man,
That's impossible.
It's
I
impossible.
have a favorite all-time episode.
No, there's
Impossible.
No,
I
it's not
have
possible, dude.
one moment. I have one.
No, not
particular-
moment. Fuck,
It'll
you have a
always be
moment.
like a
I
bunch
have
of...
a moment, literally one
One
shot where I lost it. But
What
I
was-
spit out my
what was
food
it?
and I
What-
was
what
on
is that?
बोला इतना hype कर रहा है, बता
Yeah.
So
उसे-
there's this one scene where they all Monica has made some food and these guys cheat and go and watch like how Joey and Ross go and watch a
basketball game, hockey game,
hockey
huh?
game, a basketball game, and these two go with for a baby competition, Phoebe and Rachel. So khali these
Beti
two-
beauty pageant, huh?
beauty pageant for the baby, and only Chandler and this one are making like a massive feast for Thanksgiving, and these guys have figured out okay, now what excuse do we make, because charo ke charo come up at the door at the same time, so they're like holy shit. So now they're thinking of excuses what to give Monica because she's going to be pissed. So they said we got mugged, and he's like no, we don't look like we are mugged. So Joey actually takes his Ross's shirt and rips it.
Just the pocket, just the pocket.
And it was an improvised moment.
Oh.
It was an improvised
तू
moment.
इतना build up किया है वो show
Because
को.
I lost that because it was just
No, it's funnier when you know it's an improvised
Yeah.
moment.
Yeah.
Just-
There's
just
no way
ripped
you
his
knew it
shirt
was
off.
improvised
Yeah,
watching
at
it.
that
This is
point.
after the fact.
And Ross genuinely lost it because he's like David Schwimmer. He's just like, hey, that was his improv to that scene.
No, my favorite episode, and I have one, is the episode where the one with the New Year's resolutions, where Chandler can't tell a joke. Phoebe, Ross can't, Rachel can't gossip,
Oh,
things like that.
yeah.
It's my favorite episode because they've taken the strongest power away from the character.
And then
Correct.
see how
And then they've sort of tackled it. So from a writing perspective as well as from a watching perspective, I lost my shit at the
No, but
at
that's
the
a-
episode.
It's actually very similar to the bet, Seinfeld bet. Going back to Seinfeld, the bet where
Yeah.
they can't, nobody can
Nobody can have
masturbate.
sex or
Masturbate.
masturbate or whatever.
But yeah, and this guy becomes super.
And he's
intelligent.
dating a nun and he's
Yeah.
like, "Ah!"
No, but what about yours? Any moments that you remember?
I love the blackout episode. And I love that episode. the scene where Chandler is stuck in an ATM
Vestibule with Rachel Goodacre.
and that interior
So hot.
monologue. Yeah, she's super hot. But
I spent a while to figure out who that woman was. Google pe बैठ के who is this?
Chandler
subtitles
episode 88.
untitled subtitles के.
hot navel.
गोड़ बोले.
हाँ, बोल,
गोड़
बोल.
बोले.
No, so that scene where he's stuck in the ATM, that whole gag that went on throughout the episode, I was like, I relate with this.
Have you been stuck in an ATM?
That is my interior monologue. That is like every
With a
time.
hot chick in an ATM.
I mean, no, that's me.
बहादुर बैठा होता है हमारे ATM के तो
No,
lock नहीं
no,
होता.
that's me with any girl, anytime. Like I'm just like, oh shit, what do I say now? Oh my god, like that is.
Yeah, there was this one moment where Ross is in the. Because Joey tells Ross, oh, I know you're pissed off at me, so just hit me. He's like, no, hit me. As he goes to Joey, just ducks.
Yeah.
And just Ross punches the thing,
It's
fractures his
a
hand.
running gag
Then
throughout
he's
the-
got to go and fill the hospital form.
Yeah.
So Joey's filling it for him. So he's like, name? And Ross is looking at Ross.
No, but what
He's
does
like,
Ross stand
He's like, what does it stand for? What is it short for? Like Rostopher or Rossil? So he's like, no, just Ross. He's like, okay. Occupation, dinosaur.
So this thing.
That's such a Joey
Joke.
That is such
Yeah.
a Joey joke.
Yeah.
Dude, and this is such a it's such a great moment of male friendship because guys don't
Don't
have
give a-
deep
no also.
friendships.
Yeah.
No, it's deep friendship, but it's like they don't care about the little details.
Correct.
Like
That's
I
what
will
I'm
not
saying.
want to know, hey, Kautuk ka favorite food क्या है?
Exactly.
Guys don't care.
Exactly.
ये
That's what I'm
कुछ भी
saying.
खाता है.
I have zero.
No, another moment I really remember is when Ross loses his shit when someone eats his sandwich from the.
Yeah, one of the other professors eats it.
Yeah,
My
and it's just my
sandwich.
sandwich, and there's just wide shots of him like
yeah.
echoing.
The
again.
pigeon one
My
is my funniest.
sandwich,
The
my
pigeon-
Sandwich, my, and then finally pigeons fuck off. Damn.
Karan, your favorite episode?
Man, this is impossible to name one. I can name moments, characters. I think my favorite character is Gunther.
Of course.
I relate to Gunther.
Can you imagine though,
Gunther was
like
supposed to be for 2 episodes.
Yeah,
I
one
know,
or two episodes.
No, but I know I feel because I was never part of a clique in school. Right? I was always part of the guy looking at people hanging out. So I feel like, man, Gunther is like,
Empathize,
Gunther is
yeah.
like, you know, my.
but if I
my-
put an apron on and you make coffee right now,
Yeah.
I think all of us are Gunther in some
Yeah,
way, except
I-
Varun. Varun is not Gunther.
why am I not Gunther? I
Yeah.
don't want to be Gunther.
But
We've all been Gunthered at some point in our life.
So the next thing is we've talked about the guys. I think we covered as guys Chandler, Ross, Joey. We go, but let's talk about the girls because what's interesting is we're dudes. We don't relate necessarily. So we are looking at girls from a different POV. But I think when I watch, like my wife, for example, watch Friends, she watches it from a who do you think girls connect to more? Like the women in our lives. I think when my wife watches it,
Monica.
she connects with Monica. Yeah,
Yeah, his
Monica.
wife is a complete Monica.
Because it's got to be everything's got to be clean.
Clean.
Like
Yeah.
if somebody sits on the bed, like if you have a friend come over and says somebody sits on the bed and then
She
leaves,
like-
no, she changes the sheets. she changes the sheets, man.
Because you have disgusting friends, Karan. That's why.
Case in
No.
point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If we are sitting on a sheet.
no, but like,
But do we have women in our lives who resonate with those characters?
dude, everybody tried the Rachel hairstyle at some
Yeah.
point.
Yeah.
If you're a girl and you haven't tried the Rachel hairstyle,
yeah.
are you a girl? Because
Are you a girl?
my cousins, my girlfriends, just friends, they've all gone for.
Level's trying it right now. So he's
But
really.
do you guys notice
every-
that? Do you guys notice that the actual whack job in that entire is not really Joey? It's actually
Phoebe.
Phoebe,
Yeah.
yeah.
Like the-
Actually, Phoebe is my favorite character.
yeah.
She's so
Not surprised
crazy.
again.
Yeah.
Yes,
Phoebe
Not
is my
surprised.
favorite
Every like girlfriend I've had who's been even a little clumsy has always been like, yeah, I'm a Phoebe. Like
Oh,
clumsiness.
I'm a Phoebe.
yeah, clumsiness.
But she wasn't clumsy.
She wasn't clumsy.
She was
No, I
just
feel like
clumsy.
she was
She was a
airheaded.
cook.
She was
a
very,
cook.
yeah.
She was a cook.
Yeah.
No, the thing is that in a like a real life situation, right? Like you won't be that ditzy,
Huh.
but you will be clumsy.
Okay.
So you'll pass off your clumsiness as being a Phoebe.
Okay,
you know?
I
But
have
apart from all the 6 characters, right? Like all the other guys, like Gunther, for example, even Paul Rudd's character.
Yeah.
When Mike and so this is the episode where Rachel is going out on not a date, but she's going out with Phoebe after really long. So Mike and Ross are sitting at home.
Yeah.
And they have no idea
no
what to
idea
say
what to-
to each other.
They're not nothing in
So
common.
they're just staring at
And
the
then they
screen.
look at a
That's
beer
the truth.
bottle.
When guys, yeah, when
No,
guys,
hold on. And then they look at each other and they're like, after a lot of silence, like, beer is also called lager.
What a great joke.
And then they again come back to it where actually it's lager, and then they're just looking at each other.
They have no idea. So when they come back, when the girls
When the
come
girls
back,
come back, exactly. So they're like, okay, thank you.
They run
Mike
to the-
goes, he's like, thank God, I love you. He goes out, and she's like, oh shit, wait, you can't leave. You have to go in and make sure. He's like, no, I can't go in again. He gets pushed in. That frustration on Paul Rudd's face.
is amazing.
But
Okay,
that's what
apart
dudes
from
do. But like, if you don't have anything in common, we will not talk. We will not even make that effort. Okay, that little effort of bullshit that comes out. That's
Yeah,
it.
but guys are okay with silence. I think women have the hard time. I think,
Yeah.
Okay, but other characters, I think
That's what I'm saying.
even Ross and Monica's parents, man,
yeah.
funny, right?
they are so
Very
funny.
funny.
They are so funny.
I want to actually widen that. I want to say, apart from the 6 main characters, who was your favorite recurring character on the show?
Again, Phoebe's brother for me.
For me, Jivani Ripsi.
He was because I like that family because Phoebe, everybody has a very specific
Phoebe is
history.
the most normal in that
No,
family.
no, because everybody has, yeah, exactly. So everybody has a history. All the other characters have a. Phoebe is the wild. Anything can be tossed into her past.
Yeah, 'cause
she
you know,
used
when
to
I
be-
was on
she
the
used to
street-
stab people. She used to do anything. Her father was some weird guy. Her sister is a porn star.
Your
That's a
favorite.
great device as a writer.
The guy, one of the other recurring characters I like used to come back was Phoebe's ex before Mike.
The
guy
ice
who
capade.
goes to the scientist.
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
The
What's
guy,
his-
he does the voice for
Rupert
Simpsons.
Rupert
yeah.
Everett, no?
No.
Alan.
Hank Azaria.
Hank Azaria. That's his
That's
name.
the name.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Come again.
Yeah.
Okay, so your favorite character outside of
So I
the
actually
6?
quite enjoyed Bruce Willis. I was a big fan. fan. So Bruce Willis playing that. For
Those
me, Bruce-
cameos are really
because
good.
For me, Bruce Willis is
Yeah.
John McCain, right? Jumping off a building and shooting bad guys. Suddenly he's doing.
Just John McCain.
I had not seen that in my life till that point. Now, of course, he's done some comedies after that. So that was really interesting. There was a lot of fun also. And
I think Ross is, this chick Ross dates Mona. She's pretty hot.
Yeah, Mona, the one where
And in the end, he doesn't care about her.
Mona is the one.
He keeps forgetting about her. He leaves her somewhere.
that
wait, but-
episode where everyone's laughing at Phoebe's choice of boyfriend. They are laughing at what blah, blah, blah. You had this, you dated that, you dated Mona, and then she storms off, right? And everyone's just like, yeah, that's correct. And then Ross looks at everyone. What was wrong with Mona? There was actually nothing wrong with her.
There
Yours.
was one girl who was really. Have you? And I've actually experienced.
How can
this,
we
the
forget-
untidy girl.
Janice.
Janice.
No.
Yeah, the untidy girl where he gets a rat and all
Rat
that
is
inside.
inside the house and she's
Yeah.
like, yeah, that one. Like I've actually
No,
been to a
guys,
person's
but
house.
you
that
know-
is that
How
one.
many, how many Janices do we all know?
Dude,
Like in real
Janice-
life?
Yes.
You know more Janices than you know Rachel.
Exactly. Let's just say that. Kautuk, your
That's a
favorite?
tragedy.
Your favorite outside of the 6?
It would be Gunther probably.
Gunther?
Yeah.
Well, one of my favorites was Janice, but the one cameo that I really thought was really funny was Pete. Monica's boyfriend Pete, also who directed
Oh, John
Iron Man.
Favreau.
John Favreau.
John Favreau.
Who also
John
directed
Favreau.
Iron Man.
Multi-million dollar MMA champion.
I really thought he was. I thought he was funny. I thought those episodes were really.
Even the episode when Brad Pitt showed up for that one episode.
was just gonna say that.
That was because at that point they were married, right?
They were
so
married.
there's a lot of context to what was going
And
on.
I like
too.
how even when they got him on, they didn't get him on as, they are in love.
Yeah.
They used to date and
And he's jealous of
He's
Ross.
jealous of Ross, yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. That one, then there was
Hey,
one
I think
episode where
they were-
Denise Richards came in. She was
yeah.
Ross's
That was-
sister.
yes.
So every time she opens the her
Chandler.
hair, there's that
Slow motion.
That happens. And at one point, Ross is just like sitting there with her, and she does that. And he's like, "Fuck, I've not had sex in like 6 months." He just looks at her. She looks at him, and he just. that motion, and she just goes like, "What are you doing?" And in his head, inner thoughts you can hear, like, just say anything, just say anything, use word,
Use
and they're
it.
just staring. Okay, silence. Inner monologue, just say word, say anything. He's like, I haven't had sex in 6 months.
And in it's set up and saying there is nothing that you can say that will make this worse. And then he
Yeah.
goes, I haven't had sex in 6 months.
And the end of that episode
It's even funnier.
which is way.
she goes to stay with Phoebe, and he's like, no,
Phoebe's
thank you so
what's
much.
the big deal about this woman? What's the big deal about
And then
this
again
woman?
she comes and opens. Phoebe's also just.
Yeah.
Okay, question for you
There
guys.
was an episode where Billy Crystal, this is trivia, Billy Crystal and Robin Williams showed up. The funnest thing about that is Billy Crystal and Robin Williams were filming on the lot and they said, hey, let's just go to the set.
Improvise.
And they improvised that entire conversation. that
Oh,
whole
man.
20
Yeah,
minute
they
scene.
sat on the couch and all of them just sat around the couch and
So
they just
that's
went.
a great piece of trivia, the Robin Williams, Billy Crystal
Wow.
episode. Sorry,
Wow,
you were saying.
Robin
that.
Okay,
Williams.
so I have a question for you guys.
We need to go into negatives.
Yeah, no. Before we go to negatives, how many women do you think the character Joey slept with in those 9-10 years?
Oh man.
Wow.
There was a guy who had done the math.
Somebody has done the math.
Yes, there was a guy who did the math.
What is the number?
I have no idea. I
Has
was
Joey
asking you
slept
guys.
with more women, or has Arnold Schwarzenegger killed more people in his movies?
Oh, good question. Okay. Joe,
If you know the answer, I didn't.
here's a question for you guys. Has Joey slept with more women or Barney Stinson slept with
Ooh,
more
nice.
women?
Yeah.
Oh.
So there's an interesting article I was reading. It was in a Ugandan or Nigerian newspaper. About
You have amazing news sources. Yeah.
These subscriptions.
Yeah.
No, Reddit. Reddit is an amazing place. And so the article was really interesting because there was like, can Friends, the show, exist outside, let's say in Uganda, or would they survive? So basically, by
आज
the age of
warlord आ रहा
30
है. चलो, चाय
by the
पिए
age-
क्या?
Yeah.
By the age of 30, 3 of them would be dead.
Okay, spin-offs of Friends. Sorry, who remembers the Indian Friends?
Yes, Nikhil
With
Chinappa,
Chinappa,
Sophie
Maria
Choudhury.
Goretti,
What?
Sophie
Yeah.
Choudhury.
Yeah,
You've
देखो
not
पता
seen
नहीं
it.
है.
It was on
called
ZTV.
Just Friends.
Hey, you know,
No,
at this
Hello
point-
Friends.
At this
Hello
point,
Friends, Hello
I can say something. I'm so glad I was in America.
It had Nikhil Chinappa, Cyrus Brocha.
Oh my God.
Maria
Exactly.
Goretti was on it.
They tried to do it while Friends was still running.
That is the problem. It's like तू अभी तो
क्या सोच रहे हो?
simultaneously compete कर रहे हैं उन लोग. But you know, here's another story about Friends. So Friends wrapped up in 2004. Okay, yeah. By the way,
12 साल.
12 साल, 13 साल.
13 साल हो गए.
And वो time पे you weren't getting it on TV and shit as often. And internet तभी काफी kill करा था. And my cousin brother was superb at it. So he has downloaded and he has made CDs. और 10 season का copy
Nice.
मैंने बेचा है.
बेचा है तूने.
बेचा है public को.
Okay.
500 रुपए का.
Guys, we are going to have to
Wow.
cut this part.
10
But how do you do
CDs.
it? How do you go around doing
Friend
it?
बोलो, friend बोलो,
How do
friend
you-
बोलो.
I'm
Season
kidding.
1, season 2, season 5.
This
No,
fact.
did you sell it to strangers or to people?
No,
you knew?
people who wanted. They're like, तेरे friend है, हाँ, लेकिन 500 रुपए का.
Wow.
बेचे.
Yes, my problem is that I bought these DVDs, but from like these people who used to stand outside
At
the
VT station.
Yeah,
Huh.
right.
Hey,
I'm
I'm
imagining you doing that.
But where do you think Thakur has got that voice of his chai? Where do you think it's come from?
I
लोग
sold it
town
to
में
people
जाते
in school. I sold it to people around my building, tuitions. There were enough people and I'm trustworthy, bro. तू मेरे से खरीदेगा या स्टेशन वाले से
Like
खरीदेगा.
Varun is a dealer. Like अभी आके क्या
But why-
माल है क्या तेरे पास?